Good morning, grade 9. Let's see question 2 from second question of set 3.6. So x minus 5 the whole square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24. We have to factorize this. Now, look at this bracket, students. If I take 5 outside, then inside I'll get x minus 5, which is similar to this bracket. See, 5 into x is 5x, 5 into 5 is 25. So I got two similar brackets. Now I can suppose that let x minus 5 the whole bracket be equal to y, so that we get quadratic expression. So for this I am substituting y. So what I get? Y square minus 5y minus 24. Now I can ask two questions to factorize this expression. Tell me two numbers whose product is minus 24 and whose subtraction is minus 5. Obviously numbers are minus 8 and plus 3. But while writing here, do not miss to write the variable. So what you get? Y square minus 8y plus 3y minus 24. Now look at these two numbers. Y is common. So what remains inside? Y minus 8. Pair these two numbers. If I take 3 outside, y minus 8. 3 8s are 24. Now in this and this pair, y minus 8 is common. So I take it as common. Inside what remains? Y plus 3. Now substituting for y, x minus 5. We have to express it into our original variable. So for y, I am writing x minus 5 and here minus 8 as it is. For this y, x minus 5, this plus 3 as it is. Now look at this, minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13. So first factor I got x minus 13. And second is minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So x minus 13 into x minus 2. So these are the factors of this expression. Is this clear? Let's go to the next problem. Now look at third problem. You have x square minus 6x the whole square minus 8 in bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 and minus 64. Now what is repeated over here? X square minus 6x. Here also x square minus 6x. So let x square minus 6x is equal to y. So for this I am writing y. So what first bracket will be? Y square minus 8 as it is. For x square minus 6x I am writing y. And again this plus 8 over here. Bracket close. Minus 64. Now let me multiply this bracket by 8. What do I get? Y square minus 8y minus into plus minus. 8 8s are 64. Minus 64. This minus 64 is over here. And product of this is over here. Now y square as it is minus 8y minus 64 minus 64. Same sign, addition of numbers. So I write 125 and answer will have same sign as the numbers. So minus 128. Now what two questions am I going to ask? Tell me two numbers whose product is minus 128 and whose subtraction is minus 8. Whose subtraction should be minus 8, not 8, minus 8. So subtraction is minus 8. Now how to do? See, write 128, split it, 2 into 64. Again you can split 64 as 8 into 8. Now try different combinations. Your eyesight should be such that you should immediately come to know 8 2s are 16, 16 and 8. Subtraction is 8, product is 128. I want subtraction as 8, no. And minus sign should be there. So bigger number will have minus sign. Smaller number will have plus sign. Okay. So my numbers are minus 16 plus 8. You try this product. It is minus 128. And if you do addition, it will be minus 8. Okay. So I got minus 16 and plus 8. While writing I have written plus 8y minus 16y minus 128. Now pair these two. Y is common between this. So y taken out, I get y plus 8. Pair these two. Minus 16 if I take out, inside remains y. Now this minus will become plus because minus into plus will be minus over here. If I write minus again, minus into minus will become plus. Are you understanding? Okay. So if I am taking minus 16 outside, in bracket I will get y plus 8. Again remember, y plus 8, this bracket should come twice. Then only we can take this bracket as common. Okay, so immediately after first bracket only you would come to know what would be your second bracket. Alright. Now y plus 8 if I take out common, what remains? Y minus 16 in the second bracket. Now substitute y as what? What is our y? X square minus 6x. So here I can write substituting for y. Okay, substituting for y. Here I have shown you, what is y. Okay, this is important. What is y? Okay, so for y I am writing x square minus 6x. So x square minus 6x plus 8 and x square minus 6x minus 16. Now here itself this becomes quadratic expression. Here you can factorize this. Now ask two questions. Tell me such numbers or two numbers whose product is 8 and addition is 6. So obviously numbers are 4 and 2 and both will have minus sign. So I got x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 2. Now pair these two, x will be common. What I get inside? X minus 4. Pair these two, if minus 2 is taken out, I get x minus 4. Now in this, x minus 4 is common. So if I take x minus 4 as common, what remains? X minus 2. Is this clear? Now come to this bracket. X square minus 6x minus 16. Again we can factorize this. Tell me two numbers whose product is minus 16 and whose subtraction is 6. So product 16 and subtraction 6, 8 and 2. And bigger number will have So tell me two numbers whose product is minus 16 and subtraction is minus 6. So numbers will be minus 8x and plus 2x. See, minus 8 plus 2 product is minus 16. Minus 8 plus 2 addition is minus 6. Got it? So this should be plus 2, not minus 2. Okay. Now pair these two, what you have? X as common, in bracket you get x minus 8. Over here take out 2, what you get? X minus 8. Again x minus 8 is common. What remains is x plus 2. So at the end, what factors you get for this? X minus 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 8 into x plus 2. Everywhere here multiplication sign is there. So even though if you take any bracket first or any bracket second, it doesn't matter. See, always remember 3 into 4 into 10 into 1 is similar to 4 into 1 into 10 into 3. You write any order. In between there is multiplication sign. So don't worry if some bracket is coming in textbook, if answers are in that form. You just see that any bracket you can write first. It is multiplication over here. So it doesn't matter. Is this clear? I hope the problem is clear. Okay. Let's go to the next problem. Now let's see fourth problem. X square minus 2x plus 3 and x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. You can see x square minus 2x is common in these two brackets. So let this be equal to y. So substituting y for x square minus 2x, what do I get? Y plus 3 into y plus 5 minus 35. You know how to multiply these two brackets. First term of the first bracket multiply with the second bracket. Second term of the first bracket multiply with the second bracket. So y into y square plus 5y plus 3y plus 15 and this minus 35. 5y plus 3y like terms can be added or subtracted. So y square plus 8y. 15 minus 35 is minus 20. Now you got this expression. Factorize it. Tell me two numbers whose product is minus 20 and whose subtraction is plus 8. Obviously numbers are 10 and 2 plus 10 and minus 2 because this is having plus sign. Okay. So I have y square plus 10y minus 2y minus 20. So from this y is common, y plus 10. From this minus 2 is common, y plus 10. Minus into plus will be minus. Now in this y plus 10 is common, so taken over here remains y minus 2. Now substitute y is equal to x square minus 2x. So what do I get? X square minus 2x plus 10, x square minus 2x minus 2. Minus 2 as it is. So these are the factors. Okay. So I hope this was the fourth problem from Factorize the Following Polynomials question 2 from 3.6. Remaining 3 problems, that is 5th, 6th and 7th, is reduced from your syllabus this year. Okay. So that's all for today, students. Thank you.